Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video I travel to Koh Samui, Thailand, so come check out the island with me. What is up? And I am currently on the world famous island of Koh Samui. I arrived yesterday and I'm staying at the popular location of Chaweng Beach. The beach is absolutely perfect. Might be the best beach I've seen in Thailand. The water's really clear and very good color. The sand is white and clean. The water is crystal clear. The sea is very calm. There are some beach clubs that you could use. I'll show one that I walked onto the beach from, called the Ark Bar. They have a big pool and chairs and all that stuff you can use. You're supposed to spend 500 baht to use the stuff, which is like $14. The menus are quite reasonable, $5-6 for food, about the same for a drink. There are water sports, you can rent these, wave runners. So I arrived here yesterday. I came from Ao Nang Beach. It cost me 1,100 baht, which is about $31, I think. It took me, I would say about 5.5 hours to actually get onto the island, and then like another hour to get to this side of the island. So I was picked up at 7 a.m. and I probably arrived to the hotel about 1:30. I think I'm staying here for 3 days and then moving to some of the other islands in the area. I inquired about renting a scooter for tomorrow. The price was really cheap. It was 200 baht, which is under $6. So I think I'm going to do that and maybe check out some of the other spots on the island. But today I think I'm just going to stay in this area, have a swim, maybe use one of the pools. Looks like some kind of jellyfish. The skies have been blue. I've only been here for about 24 hours. Nice, sunny. It's about 90 degrees, which is 32. This is my first time on this island. I've actually never been on this side of the country, on the islands. I've always been over Phuket and the island over there. So this is the first time I've actually made the hike to get over here, and it's definitely worth it. I mean, if you like beaches. Minimum spend 500 baht per person for use of the facilities. I used the pool at the Ark Bar several times when I was on the island. It was a good pool and I bought some food and drinks. It was definitely a good place to go and hang out. My hotel did not have a pool. They also have beach chairs that you could use. So if you're in the area and your hotel doesn't have these things, definitely come over here and check it out. These are the beach chairs and the umbrella that the Ark Bar supplies. This is my room in Koh Samui. I paid $19 for the night. I don't know why the garbage can's in the shower. And this is really it. It's got a fridge, air conditioner works good. It's got a big window to the outside, the street, and there's some bars, so I think it's gonna be pretty loud tonight. So maybe that's why it was $19. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of the night scene over here. I'm gonna get some dinner and then walk around and take some video. There's a lot of bands playing and club music, so I'm not sure how much of the audio I'll be able to use, I had to come down this little side street just to be able to do this part of the video where I talked. But let's check it out and see what it's like. Everything here was very expected, very normal for Thailand. A lot of places to get massages. There were a lot of convenience stores, restaurants, bars, places playing music, people selling things on the streets, all kinds of things like that. A lot of the bars had bands playing rock covers. My hotel window was right next to 2 or 3 bands playing until 2 or 3 in the morning, so I got to hear Bon Jovi covers all night long. I found Koh Samui to be more low-key and more laid-back than some of the other places I've been to in Thailand. It could have been the time of the year I was there, or maybe the time of the month I was there, but overall I didn't think it was as crazy as some of the other places I've been to. I went over to the Ark Bar one night while I was there, and there were a lot of people there drinking and eating and just hanging out. They were playing a lot of loud music, and there was like a fire show going on the beach. There was no access to the pool was closed, but it definitely was a happening place and there were a lot of people there. What is up, everyone? And it's another beautiful day in Koh Samui, Thailand. I rented a scooter today. It cost me 200 baht, which is just under $6 US, and I decided I'm going to tour the island on my own, drive around, stop at any interesting places I see. So let's get on the bike and check it out. I didn't know about this place until I drove by it. I don't really know much about the island. Did a little bit of research, but not a lot. And as I was driving past it, I saw people up top looking over the rail, so I pulled over and stopped here and took a walk down here. It's interesting, a lot of rocks, water's nice, but now I gotta climb back up. Nice view from up here, nice breeze coming in. Silver Beach. Looks like a little restaurant. Let's go check out the beach. This is Silver Beach. This is maybe 20-minute ride from where I'm staying. The sand is a little coarse. A lot of like little broken pieces of shell. There's a few resorts and restaurants are attached to the resorts. The water's clear. It's a small beach. The highlight is the boulders on each side. They kind of remind me of a place I went to many years ago in the Caribbean called Virgin Gorda. As you can see right in front of me, there's some exposed rocks. The water is not very deep, but it is very clear. So I'm going to put my stuff down and have a swim. There are stairs up to this platform and you can kind of walk around the boulders for some views and pictures. So let's check it out. The platform ends here, but you can continue to climb through the rocks if you want. Depends on how ambitious you are. I do see some people on the other side. They're not in the picture right now, but they just kind of walked by, so there are people out there. There is this vegetation, some kind of seaweed. There's a lot of it. It kind of looks like cooked onions. This is Lamai Beach. We got some clouds coming in. Water looks nice. Sand's good. Doesn't look as clear as where I'm staying. I wanted to see more of the island with the bike, but I ended up staying at the beach longer than planned, and I ended up having lunch. So it just didn't really work out. I ended up heading back to my hotel after this beach stop. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. My next video, I head over to the island of Koh Phangan and check out the full moon party. So you're definitely going to want to see that when it comes out. See you soon.